Ang cute eh.
Wow! Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer Mark, and I would like to meet my friend, together with the trainer, one of a time. On your left side, the eldest female South American sea lion that we have. And according to our trainer, she is the cutest. Wow, confident. Her name is Ira. Together with trainer Regine, say hi! While on the other side, the youngest female South American sea lion that we have. And according to our trainer, she is the sexiest.
Yeah.
Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Johnny, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fish or feathers for marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term is when they be also translated as wing coated. These term flippers to look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion, the fact they are bigger